Hello guys, welcome back to Storytime Mania World 4 with your host, Xandra Tisano, and today I decided to make two new Mr. Men Everyday books. These are the first two of the collection, and the two books that I decided to make are Mr. Men Cooking Class and Mr. Men Go to the Fair, because Roger Hargreaves and Adam Hargreaves, the author of these books, didn't make any of these, so I decided to do it. And I'm going to give you a little peek through them. This is the first book that I made, and it's called Mr. Men Cooking Class. And so in this book you will find out that Mr. Messy was excited to go to cooking class, and in this book he will get very messy. Some people do the right stuff, some people have accidents, and Little Miss Fun is the cooking teacher, and they are baking a cake for Little Miss Birthday and Mr. Birthday's anniversary, so they had to make it more special. And here we have Mr. Men Go to the Fair, and in this book you'll find out that Little Miss Bad is creating a lot of mischief at the fair tonight. She put her hands into Mr. Skinny's cotton candy machine and got Mr. Jelly all worried, and then she peels a lot of the caramel off the caramel apples from where Little Miss Sunshine works. And what will they do to stop Little Miss Bad from creating a lot of mischief there? You'll find out. And I decided to show you two of the pages from the book. This is the page for Mr. Men Cooking Class. In this page, Mr. Messy arrives just in time with Mr. Small. I didn't know that Mr. Small can cook. Same with Little Miss Tiny here, but Little Miss Tiny will not appear in this book. And here is the page for Mr. Men Go to the Fair. Over here you can see Little Miss Bad driving in a car to escape from cleaning her house and about to create a lot of mischief at the fair. So I hope you enjoy these books, because they will be coming out November 9th, 2018.